What's up, everybody? LJ here. I am coming at you with an A-OK from none other than Entropy Comics, aka Kevin. He sent me some comic books, so let's get into that and check it out. I'm sure they're going to be great ones, so let's check it out. Let me get my scissors out and cut into this. Already out. He is a comic book collector, so I'm sure there's going to be some cool comics. Check them out. Alright, first comic is a free comic. It is Alternate Nation. I've never heard of this, but I'll check it out. The comic book, the cover looks pretty cool. There's that one. Ooh, second one is a variant cover. I think this is a variant. Who knows? Peter Parker, the Spectacular Spider-Ham. I don't have none of these comics. I've seen Spider-Ham before. This looks pretty cool. Is he on Spider-Man's back? Looks like it. Yeah, he's on Spider-Man's back. That's pretty cool. Marvel #1. Sweet. They look like they're in really good shape. Oh, this is cool. I don't have none of these either. The Ice Cream Man. I've never read these comics. I've heard about them. Some people are saying they're really good. Other ones saying they didn't like it. So we'll see. I'll check it out. Big old ice cream cone. Next we have Billionaire Island. These are dogs. That's funny. Ahoy Comics. I do appreciate it, Kevin. Thanks a lot. Entropy Comics or something. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but thanks anyway, Kevin. There's that one. There's another Billionaire Island. I've never read these comics. I'll have to check them out for sure. Pretty cool cover. Here's another Billionaire Island. He's jumping out of something. Oh, he's being shot at. There's that one. And another Billionaire. And the last one is Best of 2000 AD. I think this is another free comic book day. Oh, it's got Judge Dredd on it. That's cool. I have to check this out. I missed a couple free comic book days the last couple years. This I'll check out for sure. Judge Dredd. That's that one. And that was all that was in the box. I would like to say thank you again to Kevin, Entropy Comics, for sending these to me. I do appreciate it. And thank you to you for watching and sticking around. If you would like, please leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe button somewhere down over here. And so is that bell. Hit that bell so you get notified every time I go live or I do new videos. Or maybe even if I post shorts, because I post a lot of shorts. So thanks again. Y'all have a good one. Later. Bye. Peace.